Welcome. I'm going to show you an example of setting up a simple module and a basic page on Canvas. Now I know it's a sort of a season of bad news, but I have some good news for you, and the good news is that this is fairly simple and straightforward on Canvas if you follow this example. To get started, log into Canvas, then click on the class you want to use. Click on the Create New Module button, or you can click on Modules and then the red plus module button if you already have modules. Name this new module, maybe the week of March 23rd, and then click the Add Module button. This will create a module, but before we add anything there, we need to upload them into Canvas. In order to do that, click on the Files link, then upload files into your course. Now there are two ways to do that. You can either drag a file directly from a folder onto the Canvas page. You have to drag it into this top area here, or you can click that red Upload button and go find the file that way. Next, go back to Modules. And now we're going to add a page into that module. So click that plus to add a page, and then click New Page, and then name the page. Let's call it March 23rd Course Materials. Next, click on that new page, and then click Edit. Now you have a blank page where you can type any type of information or instructions. So for example, I'll put some instructions for this week of class. Maybe I'll make it of size header 3. And then I can describe what's going to happen this week in class and post links to documents or lectures or assignments. So for example, let's make a section where they can look at the lectures and the readings. Here's a link to the lecture on social distancing. And now I go to Files and click on that PowerPoint, and then it puts a link to that PowerPoint directly into this page. I can do the same kind of thing for other kinds of readings. For example, I can make a link to this Word document. This could be a regular PowerPoint, or it could be a narrated PowerPoint like we showed you how to do in another section. A narrated PowerPoint would include timings and your voiceover describing each slide. Or you can make a link to a video. So for example, here's a link to a YouTube video. You just copy and paste the link, and then it embeds it directly into that page. You can also make links to assignments. So for example, if you have an assignment set up for this essay, you can make a link to it by going into the right-hand side under Links, look under Assignments, and then click on that assignment, and it makes a link. Or you could make a link to a discussion post, or even a link to a quiz like this. Next, you could edit the page by changing the formatting and making it look how you want it to. When you're done, click Save and Publish if you're ready for them to see it right away, or just save if you're still going to be working on it. After you click Save, you'll see what it looks like. Let's go back into Modules. So now you can see that what I've done is made a module named Week of March 23rd with one page on it called March 23rd Course Materials. That page has all those links on it. Once I'm ready for students to see this, then I have to remember to click this Publish button over here and turn both of those green, and then they have access to it. Next, if I want to see what this looks like from the student's perspective, I can click Settings and then click Student View, and then I can see exactly what the students see. I can even take quizzes or turn in assignments or make sure all of those other things are working. Okay, so that's how to set up a simple page in one module on Canvas. Other instructions will show you how to make a narrated PowerPoint, or to set up a quiz, or to set up a discussion, or to set up an assignment to receive essays. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.